Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams. Now you make subscribings or I crush you. Dziękuję.
As she read him to sleep in his high tower bedroom, while an autumn gale sang its lonely song outside, calling down winter.
Whoa. This audiobook's so boring, I nearly miss Crash. Sound the tiny penis alarms. This clip made me clench asshole so tight that I get the cramps. Lucky nobody was hurt, apart from me. I pull muscle in anus from the clenchings, very painful. If you also make hurtings by clenching assholes, let me know in the comments, and I recommend good gypsy tears to apply to relieve pains. In US&As, they like the recyclings. Here you can see they reuse unwanted hats from the cats in the hats as traffic cones. Greta will be very proud. I recently become religious and worship the Jesus Christ. I get very upset when his name is used in vain.
Jesus Christ. Holy fucking hell.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
مان السيارة اللي قدامي ما عندها درايفر دور، في شباب من الأصل. ليكو بليز بليز بليز، ليكو ليكو يلعن اختها.
Dominik, geh raus, Mann. Dominik, was hast du gemacht, Bruder?
Since learnings from OnlyDashcams that green light means stops, I use my jeeps to block cars who break rules. I am fighting crimes one car at a time. Here we see the Obi-Wan Kenobis teaching Luke Skywalkers how to drive. Luke complain, with blast shield up I can't even see. How am I supposed to drive? Always mornings. Very scary clip of woman getting attacked by tiny green aliens. Luckily man in silver car come to rescue to try to ram the aliens. Phew, he is true American hero. Thank you for watching my movie films. Please make subscribing so I become #1 non-porno related channels in my country. Dziękuję.